All right. Good morning, everyone. It is 8:45 in the morning of May 16th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. And so today, I titled the video "Probably a Flat Day" because everyone. No, I don't want to say everyone, but there are a lot of people who I've listened to over the past weekend that said, "Oh, we're going to have, is Monday going to be confirmation, to the upside, or is it going to be, a failure to the downside? It's going to be one or the other. It's going to be, we continue to the upside and confirm, or we tank to the bottom of the previous close and it's a failure." Which to me means when everybody's expecting a big move in either direction, what that means to me is that the market is going to be pretty flat. What that means to me is that Wall Street is going to just sit there and bounce this thing up and down all day and all over the place, and it's going to leave, a whole bunch of traders, looking like, fools. I mean, they're going to be like, oh, well, okay, so it's starting to break out to the big side, we're going up. And then it's just going to fail. And then a whole bunch of people are going to be like, oh, it's breaking to the downside, it's going down. And then it's going to stop there and go back to the middle. So that's the way I'm seeing things today. It's going to be the Qs and the SPY, in my opinion, are probably going to be pretty flat days. Which is unusual for a VIX that's in the 20s, high 20s, almost 30. But it wouldn't surprise me to see day today just be stuck in a tight range, shaking traders out along the way. The close might be different. The end of the day at the close, that might be a different story. But I'm just kind of guessing today. There's probably going to be a pretty small range. We'll see how it goes. It's just when I see there's so much anticipation for a big move up to confirm the previous day's rally, or a big move down to negate the previous day's rally, then what ends up happening is it just ends up being a flat day. Quite unusual for a VIX that's that high, but it can still happen. So, all right. And as things stand now, if the Q opened up right now, the Q's opened up right now, it would open up almost 30 cents lower. Excuse me, not 30%, but 30 cents lower than its previous close, which is nothing. I really wouldn't be surprised to see an inside day today. And I wouldn't be surprised to see it just barely move. And that could be all week. It'd be strange, but it could happen. Let's look at the sessions here real quick. Yeah, so it's going to open up a little bit higher than its previous pivot, or its point of control. Sorry, not pivot, but point of control. So, I mean, I guess, right now I'm more... Even though the trend is down, the trend is bearish. You can see here the trend is really quite obviously bearish. This price right here at 300.58, I think that red mark is that red line right there. If it's hard to see, that red line right there is roughly 300.50-ish, 350, 358, roughly somewhere in there. That's probably, if you want to be bullish, that's probably a good support area to go long. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and mark it off. Put an alarm on it. All right, so that's the Qs. And I think the SPY is actually going to be more bullish than the Qs are. Let's see if I can find another point of control here. Where is it? That's weird. I don't have it on the I don't have it on the SPY for whatever reason. I've got to get that thing over to the SPY. It's interesting. I don't know why it's not there. All right. So and if I'm going to play to the upside, I'll play SPY to the upside before I do the Qs. I'll have to find that point of control though. And so otherwise, what else do we have going on here? Gold is looking really weak. Strange moves on gold here. I really thought, I haven't played gold since back here in January, but I would have figured by this point in time that gold would have caught some support already. Amazon had a huge move on Friday. Same thing with Tesla. Tesla 5% move. I think a lot of people are expecting continuation or failure today. I think it's just going to be a flat day. So be careful. Adjust your risk accordingly, and just take profits quickly today. I just until the close, until an hour before the close, I don't think we'll know really anything about which way this market's going to go this week. So, all right, everybody, good luck out there. Keep your wrist tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I'll see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.